Exercise Orion was a major European search and rescue exercise hosted in the UK in September 2010. The exercise was designed to test the UK's regional and national command and control infrastructure in the event of a major incident and their ability to coordinate with overseas teams. To really test this infrastructure, the exercise needed to be as realistic as possible, but also to be a situation or event no one would expect. Something that would overwhelm the emergency services in the UK and require additional assistance from the European Union. So they decided to simulate an earthquake. As part of the exercise, special projects were invited to deploy a range of communications equipment. Designed for use in harsh environments such as the scene of a natural or man-made disaster, the equipment would assist the teams on the day and record events for future training purposes.
So the challenges we faced with Exercise Orion at Fort Woodley were to get a very easy and quickly deployed network that was capable of supporting data, video and voice communications. The reason you want to deploy a network like this is to give the command and control structure the information so that they can make the right decisions about where to deploy equipment and resources.
Special Projects have designed a portfolio of rapid deploy products and services specifically for the emergency services and urban search and rescue teams to help ensure full data, voice and video communications can be set up quickly and easily wherever they are needed.
So the typical kind of data we'd send across that network could include plans of the buildings or the rooms that they were working in, and also information about the hazards that the frontline personnel were going to face. So typically any chemical storage that is going on, and things like high pressure gas cylinders, which are extremely dangerous in a disaster area. In addition, we support video with a number of CCTV cameras, both tripod mounted and body worn, which are giving coverage around the whole of this large expansive area. And this gave information at a glance for a central commander to just look at screens and see what was going on at each of the sectors. Furthermore, there's a requirement for voice, which may come as a surprise for some people because you think the emergency services are always there with their own radio systems, which is obviously true. But in some environments, such as tunnels or mines, that technology doesn't always work particularly well. So we give a backup to it with a bidirectional voice technology that will allow them to call down to the frontline staff, back to the command post. And this actually runs across the wireless meshing and the Ethernet extenders, so it can go right down underground and straight back up to the surface again. We facilitated communications to the outside world via a satellite link. And this is a satellite platform that is typically mounted on the roof of a command vehicle. It's fully automatic, so you just get to the scene, push one button and you're up and running. So thinking about the benefits that our solution provided, a network is normally complex, requires engineers to set it up. But the Special Projects equipment is very quick and simple with just one light and one switch on the units. And this ease of use is backed up by the feedback we get from our existing customers. The equipment is also very robust and rugged, suitable for that harsh environment. And overall, this equipment will enhance the efficient incident management, giving the right information to the right people at the right time, and reducing the risks and potentially saving lives.
Special Projects provide rapid deploy communications for data, video and voice, which is ideal for use at the scene of any emergency or disaster. By ensuring command and control have the best possible situational awareness information at all times, it can help reduce the risk of injury or loss of life for both victims and rescue personnel.